Hey everybody, welcome back to the show, Door and Lock Tips. I'm adding a step to the van today. Well, at least I thought I was going to. Hey guys, this is Mike with Door and Lock Tips, and I'm in North Carolina. Great temperature, great day, I thought. Okay, it started out real nice. I'm working on the key van today, and I was putting in this beautiful, gorgeous, all cast. Mike Walker, shooting a video right now of the error here. So go ahead, tell me what you come up with, buddy.
Okay, so I was able to get in touch with the manufacturer again. We did some research for you, and it does look like you did receive the incorrect brackets and hardware. The steps are universal, so the steps are still good.
Yeah, they're fabulous, actually.
Okay, and they are going to be sending you out the correct hardware, just the brackets and the hardware itself.
Okay, good.
Use those steps. According to what they're telling me, that should ship out tomorrow.
Wow, you guys really are great people.
Just like to make sure that we take care of our customers. In their system, make sure there wasn't any other errors on their end with mispackaging. But she did assure me that the part number, the 115771, she also assured me that's the correct part number.
Yeah.
It just looks like the hardware and brackets were mispacked. The lady I spoke with, I was actually on the phone with her, I think, when those came through. So she did verify that, and those are definitely incorrect.
Oh, good, good. I'm going to post this phone call. It's going to be good, though. We got a positive thing here, my buddy. Really positive. Yeah. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. Yeah, good. The right parts are coming. They're shipping tomorrow, and Mike Walker is going to be a real happy man. Well, you are very kind, very kind.
Is there anything else I can do for you right now?
No, you've done it all. Guess what, guys? That was the company I bought these parts from. Yeah, so today I started out with some high hopes. I bought some steps for my key truck from a company called Real Truck. They gave me a really good deal. They even discounted it a certain percentage just because I called up. Highly suggest you call up. It's a better thing than just, punching the thing out on the internet, just buy now thing. I always call them up because you never know, they might be running a deal. For vans, trucks, steps, they make everything. Now this company though, unbeknownst to them, it's called Carr, Carr. Boy, it's a beautiful aluminum step. Guess what? Bad news. The brackets are wrong. Look at this. Real Truck. Oh, they were so nice to me, realtruck.com. I had to send pictures back and forth, which takes, I don't know, half hour to do it. But I talked to the nicest guys in tech support. They didn't promise me anything really to speak of other than, they're gonna look into it. Thanks for the pictures. We'll get a hold of this Carr, C-A-R-R company. Here in the US, they may box the stuff in the US. The brackets were all wrong. To really drive the point home, number on the bag doesn't match what should be on the paper right here. And good thing they sent a paper with it, how to install it, and the brackets don't even look like what's right here in the picture. Let me show you. Doesn't match that bracket. Too bad. Moral of the story, Murphy's Law. Don't get upset. Bound to go wrong. I want to show you though underneath the van, easy it is to access if I get the right kind of bracket, how I can put these steps, nice all aluminum steps on my key van. I'll show you close up. Realtruck.com. They really made it right. Stuff happens. Got the wrong parts in the right box with the right step. The Carr company, C-A-R-R, is going to send out new brackets. It's going to take about 7 to 8 to 10 days to get the brackets. Bummer. I was all set. I took a whole day off to do this. All the YouTube videos. It takes about 2.5 hours per bracket. That's bad. 2.5 hours. If you saw the nuts and bolts, it's crazy. I mean, there's probably 40 nuts and bolts, spacers and stuff. You don't have any ability to drill, tap, and do all these type of things. You're gonna have to hire it done. Being a locksmith, you can pull it off. Let's look underneath the van. We'll see meat and potatoes of it all. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Let's get back to the show. I mean, seriously.
We do appreciate your business.
The step goes just about like that underneath, about like that, and you have an easy access to the inside of the van because I put springs on this and it's quite a bit of a step up. So you just mount this, you got the right brackets down here like this, and you got a nice way back into your van. So let's look underneath this thing. They're all powder coated. C-A-R-R, Carr. Kind of proud of it. Look at that emblem. And there's the information on how to do it. Here's where the bracket's supposed to mount, and as you can see, there would be no way you could mount these steps. Too bad, really too bad. Now let's see the manual here. But if I have an adjustable bracket, it will go right against this part of the van, flat, bolted in, and then the spacer goes down here with this bracket. Possible. Thanks for the guys at Real Truck ironing out the problem. There you have it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, tell your friends, and I will show how you install these steps step by step. Get it? These aluminum steps, I really like them. $12.96. I don't know what that means. They got part numbers all over everything. I'm surprised they got that hardware mixed up. Crazy. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, tell your friends, and I'll have more door and lock tips like this coming your way in the future. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel.